not bad at all.
Driving the Dodge Hornet. And shouts out to my guy Clayton over here again for letting me be able to drive this car, man. I do appreciate it, man.
Absolutely.
Once again. And you got any like a phone number or some type of info I can put on the screen and stuff?
Oh heck yeah! If you guys, anybody needs a car, pre-owned or new, give me a call. 234-600-7730.
Alrighty, so shall I turn right?
Yeah, we'll go right.
Alrighty. Hey, this thing feels very smooth, man. Hold on. And then this is sport mode right here too.
Yeah, sport mode there, and then I think it has. Yes, it does. It has auto stick, so you can put it in.
And manual mode too. This thing is very quick.
Yeah, and it's got the seating. It sits high enough.
Yeah,
that's what's real nice. You're not sitting on the ground. You don't feel the road as much. It's a smooth ride.
Right, good for daily driving.
Yeah, it's good gas mileage. 29 on the highway.
29.
Average 24 in town. This on the GT package. Yeah.
Oh, alrighty. Is this the GT or?
Correct.
Right,
yeah.
right.
It's got the blackout. Gives you the blackout wheels, the bigger tires.
It's pretty nice, man. Love it. And for a decent price too, $34,000.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, you got the standard. We have 3-year 36 bumper to bumper, 5-year 60,000 on the powertrain. All that good stuff comes with it.
I let a digital dash too. That's nice.
Yeah, you got analog and digital, so you got best of both worlds. People like the analog side,
the old school side, and the new school.
They have to be, you know, nice about those things.
Right, right. Got to accommodate to everyone.
I didn't expect Dodge to roll out any performance vehicle. This still gives you the performance.
Right, right.
You'll zip in and out if you needed to.
I definitely wasn't expecting this at all.
No, and the viewing's perfect. I mean, you got the full view of the road.
That's a fact.
Blind spots are real good.
Right, right. Blind spot monitoring right there. Now let me ask you this one question.
Sure.
Would you take this or the Alfa Romeo Stelvio? I know it's kind of the same platform, but
value for the dollar amount, absolutely. This you're only paying for a dash difference.
That's true.
Realistically, and different design wheel. I mean, you got just different modifications on the dash. It's just cosmetics. That is it. You're going to pay a lot more for the Alfa Romeo.
Right, right.
It's the same car.
Just turn right here.
Yeah, you can.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I don't know. That's park view this way, and is that a park or is that a? No, that ain't no park. Yeah, you can zip around in here.
Alrighty.
If you want, you can give it a little oomph from here to down to there. You got no worries in between here and there.
Alrighty.
That I do not.
Can I put in sport mode real quick?
Go right ahead.
Let's see. I'm gonna press the button, and it just switched. Oh, the gauge. Oh, that's nice.
It picks it up. It gives it stiffens the suspension. You know,
that's nice. You're gonna. All right, here we go. Listen. Ooh, that's nice. All right.
Don't expect that of this thing.
It almost feels like a Hemi, I'm not gonna lie. Almost.
That's all you want.
Right.
You're not gonna speed. You're gonna end up with tickets.
Right, right.
You know, you just want to get up and go when you've got to get moving.
Definitely, definitely. Oh man, still
not out to race and everything.
Just having fun, you know. Oh man.
Everything you got to go to the Hemi, you're going to get 12 miles a gallon.
Tell me about it.
And you get the same bump off the jump.
Right, man. And I'm feeling them miles per gallon with my Hemi right now. So.
Oh yeah.
This is definitely over the Hemi in the gas mileage sector.
Nice sporty feel on the steering wheel.
Leather wheel, man.
Seats feel nice. They're buckets. They're good contoured buckets.
Nice room, nice space in the back as well. A lot of trunk space too. Definitely nice.
Yeah, I mean, you got that pass-through armrest too. So if you got poles or clubs or whatever you're doing,
right,
you can put it in there. Skis, whatever you got, if you're not putting it on top.
Now, does this have like multiple modes, like a snow mode at all, or?
I don't believe so. No, just sport mode, and then that I'm aware of.
Alrighty.
I'm sure they'll add to it.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's
that
tight.
That's crazy. Yeah, I'm about to turn sport mode off right now, man. I'm having too much fun in it. Hold on.
Yeah, see the difference in your RPM jump.
Right, right. I love that, man. Definitely nice. This Dodge Hornet is definitely nice. Love it. Once again, Clayton, I do appreciate you, man, for letting me
my man.
Take a test drive on the Dodge Hornet GT, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, is the GLH coming out soon?
Yeah. The standard wheel size is 17-inch rim. The GT gives it an 18-inch rim.
All right. It's nice, too. Definitely nice design to it. Love it.
Yeah, 7.5 ABS finish, aluminum wheels.
This is a great car, man. I'm not gonna lie.
No, I mean
Very smooth driving for the money. Camera right there.
Yeah, that's what's nice. You don't get that on the rear view camera. It's always in backup mode only. You
Right,
can see
right.
what's behind you.
Definitely nice while you're driving.
Yeah.
Just playing around
It
with
does
a
have
couple
the heated
things.
seats. I apologize.
It does?
Oh yeah. See, you're on low.
I didn't even see it right now.
Yeah, I didn't even tell. I should have looked here. They moved it off of here. And it's all on the screen.
Right, right.
So that's. I do apologize. This is just as new to me as it is to you.
It's all good, man. It's all good. It has is it wireless phone charging right here too?
Yeah, I believe so.
That's
I don't have
nice.
my phone on there. I'd see if it jumped. I'm pretty sure because that pad is integrated. It feels like it is, and that's where you would just sit it on there and it just powers it up.
Right, right. Love it, man. Nice feeling car. Definitely good for a daily driver. If anybody's looking to buy this car, I'd say get it. Great for the money, great speed, great torque feeling to it, and you get to save gas. A lot of gas, and right now gas is still high. So that concludes today's video. It's your boy MW2. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification to let y'all know when I drop new banger videos just like this with the banger Dodge Hornet, and we out of here, baby.